Like people don't do stuff like this. When you see somebody leading you this way, run the opposite way.
Good morning. It is Friday, and we are about to leave for Palouse Falls.
Yes.
So it's like an hour away.
No, longer than that.
Over an hour away. But y'all will see when we get there.
That's what Jay was like. And then they walk along that edge right there and try to take a picture of them in the falls.
Oh no.
And that's how they fall.
That's dangerous.
People fall at least, what? At least one a year.
Yeah. They said the water is usually higher, but because it's late in the season, it's low. Very beautiful. Ooh.
Not sure. I didn't either.
This is like the perfect angle. Right here. And y'all see the rainbow? Way down in there. At the fish hatchery. So it's usually fish in there?
It used to be fishing.
Yeah.
So I don't know. But all that moving, that's the fish.
I don't see anything.
I don't know if that's the fish or the bait.
You can see them right here on the side. That traces, you know, just soil, but you can see
Look at this view.
That's what they looking at over there.
Oh. At least they got a bathroom. Regular bathroom.
steelhead, and then the salmon, shilluk.
So these are the type of fish that they spawn.
And I've caught oals, yeah.
These big, this big?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
those are actual real fish.
Oh, that's scary.
Yeah, they can.
Oh, there's nobody in
Oh
here.
my gosh.
And then they just, you know, show the process of it. As they start it, they get into the bigger pond,
Yeah, they get huge.
so they transfer it down, and then they release them down in the main river.
They all live downstream.
And they built fish ladders on all of the dams too, so the fish can swim past them, bypass them. Otherwise, this is what happens. They get sucked into the turbines and it kills them.
Oh no.
So all those are kind of, they have a mesh that protects that, prevents any of the fish from going into it.
Cone mix. That's nice.
Oh yeah, this is the new invasive species, New Zealand mud snails. They just kill off everything.
Stickers.
Go down to the dam. I forget what's over in that other part.
This is another park. That's where the trailers park over there. Oh, I got my sandwich in here. Yours is in here too. Did you have one left? Oh, okay. You can get you another one. Just get a sandwich.
No, my
Hers is in here. Oh, they got Wi-Fi. Look at that.
No Wi-Fi.
The wire.
Well, that's the Snake River over there. This is the sluice it's dumping into it.
It's soaring. He's soaring to
It's
the
flying.
left.
You don't see
A
it,
little
Grandma?
left of where you're looking.
Oh, the camera
He's
can't
way
even
up
get
there,
it.
but he's been there now. He just banked. You can see his white tail.
Oh my.
Keep your eyes. Oh, she's got him.
Yeah, I see it. Though.
You
I
getting
don't
a
know if the
picture?
camera sees it,
He's been a
but
lot
I see
closer,
it.
so keep your eye on him.
Okay.
No, that
There's a bald eagle flying.
I haven't seen
I
that
don't
in a
think
while.
y'all
You
can see it though.
Yeah.
Where? Everybody keeps saying this.
Yeah, it's flying right
You're
there.
pointing out part of your finger. But you know, I'm visually impaired.
Where's your glasses? Will that help?
No, because they
Oh,
look
I don't see.
close
Oh,
up.
is that still it? Yep, that's it.
Maybe you can blow it up. And...
I'm zoomed in, but I don't see it on the camera. I see it on
See the
my eyes
cloud
though.
that kind of zigzags up and to the right? He's
It's
like in
right
the lower
above
half
the-
of it where it's-
Haze is.
yeah, he's just above that 1 second line there.
Oh, yeah.
He's coming this way.
Oh my God, get a picture, Larry.
I don't
He
have my
left the
camera.
I got my
camera.
phone.
Oh my gosh, I don't think the camera can see it.
See if you can get a picture. We can blow him up if you get it in there and get him on a picture. He's coming this way.
Oh, don't land over here.
I don't care if he lands over here. He's going back. He ain't gonna come where all these
Oh, there it
people
is. I see it on the camera now.
at. Grab it,
Y'all
Larry.
see that
Oh,
little
I'm
dot?
looking for your damn phone.
Oh my God. Right there.
Oh, it's going over there now. Oh, wow.
Is he looping back? He might loop back. He's going down.
Oh, yeah, he's
Oh,
going
is
down.
he landing on the cliff? He landed on the cliff. He's
No,
over there.
he's still flying.
He's gonna land over there. He's getting tired.
Lower and lower he's going. Oh, they gonna get a good shot of him over there.
See, that's why if you bring your binoculars, you can see everything. You see him, Larry?
Yeah, there's another bird flying right next to him, close to the water.
That might be where he's going to get that bird to eat him.
No, they're up there.
Oh,
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 wow.
where the other one?
right by it. Right above it.
Yeah.
I hear him. I don't
two.
see him. They in the brown now.
On the water.
He's right over
He's
here,
got something.
yeah.
Fishing. He fishing.
Oh, I wish I could zoom in more. Today is Saturday, right? Today is Saturday, and we are about to have lunch at this restaurant called Ferrante's.
Italian mostly. They have a lot of pastas.
I love pasta.
Yeah. Oh, we can't get any groups together. I'm good. Hey!
I am. I have a YouTube channel.
This is my granddaughter, Brianna.
Oh my gosh.
Come around and give me
Brianna, you are beautiful.
Yeah.
She's
just gorgeous.
I'm so glad. Good to meet you too. I'm so glad to see you.
Oh my God.
goodness, you're so gorgeous.
Diana was like, oh, I wish I could see everybody. You got so much going on.
I just brought you some homegrown tomatoes.
Oh, wow.
I brought.
We got a box. We're going to stop by the house on the way home and give you a box. Because he's got zucchinis, grapes, tomatoes, and the little cherry tomatoes.
I know you grow tomatoes, but this is the first year that I've ever been able to grow in their heirloom.
I can
different
see.
kinds. So
I
it's the
see.
first time I was ever able to really grow tomatoes.
Yeah. You know?
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, but a lot of them move over there because they don't
Well,
have.
she was married to.
Yeah, and now he says I'm running out of money.
Well, gee, I can't imagine.
Well, leave my
It's
way.
expensive.
It's so
It is.
expensive.
Everything's so and food now.
Yeah,
Well, let's talk about
milk. Milk is ridiculous price. We have to get it in the gallon to get a good deal. We can get a gallon for like $5 something because we buy the organic milk. But even the regular milk is like
It's
almost
all.
$4.
It's all.
It is Sunday, fun day, another warm day. I'm so happy. So I'm wearing a dress, my summer clothes. We're doing a fire pit tonight. So we're about to go to one store to get something, and then we're going to a hardware store to get some citronella candles for the mosquitoes. And then we got some hot dogs. We're gonna do, oh, I already said, we're doing the fire pit. We got some wine. Mary's coming over. So it's gonna be fun.
A day, he comes out and crosses the street, takes his time, because he know Larry ain't gonna hit him. What cat? He lives over somewhere over here. He just goes back and forth across the street.
Usually right in through here.
Yeah, every day. Watch out, cat. I be like, got that on tape.
That was so funny. You came in at the worst time ever.
Oh my God. I was in the middle of it, in the thick of things. I was like, oh my God, they make me so mad.
They
This
had
is the
made
kind of
her
stuff
use-
we had to deal with.
They
when we-
made her use the bathroom all the way in the other building, and they was asking why she wasn't there.
And
she had
then-
to run all the way back.
Yep, and then they changed the coffee. They gave her a
yeah.
stank coffee cup.
And it didn't have no coffee in it.
Yeah, didn't have no coffee in it, nothing. Just gave her an empty thing. I mean, it was bad. I was so
Oh, we going to Rite Aid? I thought we was going here.
going where he's going there.
Oh, okay.
You want to go in there and take a picture? Are you videotaping all of this?
No.
Oh. Yeah, we're going to Rite Aid to get the citronella candle.
Yeah, I told them.
This
already.
is a good place to eat. Hogan's. They have-
Breakfast place.
Oh my God, they have the best breakfasts, and I think they close like 6. They close early because they don't really serve dinners.
It say dinner on the thing.
Yeah, it's not really dinner. It's like burgers.
So to finish the story, as soon as we saw that scene on the movie, because we was watching Hidden Figures, as soon as we saw that scene, Larry came running in. He was like going crazy. He was like, I need you to look this up on the internet and see if they have this product. And Grandma was like, wait a minute. Why are you coming in all demanding? It was so
Please
funny.
and thank you goes a long way, especially when you're a white man dealing with 2 black women.
It should be in like bug pest control if they have that.
I hear somebody working back here. Hi, you work here?
I sure do.
We're looking for citronella candles.
If I have any, they're going to be all 31 and 2nd cents.
Thank you.
31. Did you say 31?
Yes.
31? This is like 11.
You gotta go to the other side. Insecticides.
No, I think he mistaken.
It says it on the thing, but it don't look like they have nothing insecticide over it.
It's not this aisle. Oh, this is it. Right
Oh,
here.
just this little section.
Mm.
Yeah.
You know, Trader Joe's my
Oh,
backyard.
Centinela candle.
$11. Do the candles talk?
It say burns up to 40 hours.
Oh, that's why. Look how
And
big
it's the
it is.
off-brand.
It's what?
The off-brand. You know, off-spray?
Mm-hmm.
That's why.
Maybe we should just get this one. How
Yeah.
you think we need?
One should be fine
Okay.
if we just using it for the fire pit tonight.
Yeah, I use it on the porch too when I'm
Oh.
sitting on the porch.
Well, it burns up to 40 hours,
Yeah.
so.
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Cold Stone. I don't even know if I got it, but I should have. I got a strawberry something with strawberries, graham crackers, and it's cheesecake ice cream, I think. So good. Extra graham crackers. And grandma just got French vanilla, right?
Mm-hmm. Don't judge me.
Another light.
And it's little dishes.
Larry has this pain in his Achilles and his foot. So he's looking for this stuff called DMSO. It's like a pain reliever.
Long conversation.
And we called like 5 stores. They don't have it. Walmart, you gotta get it online. So we tried Rite Aid and Mother's Cupboard. They don't got it. Trader Joe's, they don't got it. So he was still in there talking to the people.
She's showing a picture of how she's cooking her hot dog over the fire.
I want mine to be extra burnt.
You want it to be extra burnt?
No.
Oh. Well, when it starts puffing up, that means it's good.
You want it cooked, but not, not flattened.
Yeah, like here's the bottom part is cooked, so now it's just burning.
He likes Cajun hot dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord, got a
Does
flashlight.
that look like it's burned?
Okay, well, put it on your bun. Put some mustard on
It's
it.
not ready yet.
Okay, well, just keep cooking.
I want it burnt.
So anyway, yeah. So that's all I know is, the girls are making the boys
Clean.
clean.
Good. They need
yeah,
to learn. They mother should have. Old boxes.
Hey, where's the elevator?
We just taking the kitchen. I mean, she's been.
Oh, this is so nice.
So we'll be open.
This is my outfit of the day, but it's a simple dress.
Large enough to pop out and grab the wall of the elevator to stop.
There she is. 10:50.
Paragon Gemological Services.
Nice.
She got rain. He wants to take the stairs down 2 floors. You have people in? Oh, okay. We were outside looking at the buildings.
Yeah.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Well,
Thanks.
how are you?
Hanging in there.
I heard Mama's
Nice. Oh, as I told Dad, I said, let's just get through this. And get,
You really do have good taste.
Thank you. This is throwing things together.
Yeah, wow, this looks, if this is thrown together, oh my God. This is gorgeous. And then I like the whole plaque. Oh, you should get a picture.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get a picture of her with the plaques.
You gotta tell me when you take a picture.
Taking a picture.
I always make faces and blink.
Me too. I'm terrible at taking pictures.
So you can see, you can see, I like the view here. At nighttime, the whole pavilion lights up.
Oh my god.
And then they light up the hotel.
You can see all the way back.
You can see the rainstorms when they're rolling from the north and goes to the south. It's pretty cool. You can see the big red wagon, I think, from this side.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, you come all right.
Yeah, it's straight down.
You can come take a look through this side. Have you guys been down to the park?
We just came from down there. Well, the park. We didn't go to the park area. We went to the flour mill. To the bead shop.
Do you go
And then we walked around where you could see the water.
I like the hoops because I need a different display and they're back ordered. So, you know, you gotta hang just some basic hoops on stuff and some chains and got some other stuff I need to put in this case. And it's like, where do you have room? I'm like, I'll make room. I don't need all this stuff.
This is really
in there.
nice setup. I mean, it's really nice. You got a little, is that your work stool?
That is where I had my vacuum cleaner and a blanket. And a lot of these are just kind of what I've got in the case there. I use them for sample pieces, so they're not live, what they call a live piece. So they're not set with real stones. They're just examples. And even then, they're pretty expensive. But it's a good way to show different sizes of bands, different widths, different styles of rings.
And Nick can make all of those?
Yeah, or I can order them from different manufacturers. I still work with quite a few different, manufacturers, or I can have a custom CAD done, or I can modify one, or I can have Nick make it. So it just kind of depends. A friend of mine that I've known for a long time does diamond earring programs and band programs, and I helped him with a lot of his marketing development. And so starting out, I was like, could I get some, things in just to kind of have? And so I'm almost paid off. I've almost bought all the diamond earrings. So we got lab grown and then just a few natural hairs as well.
Nice.
Look at this artwork of the presidents. That's good. Wow. And then they got one of Obama down here.
Yeah, I should get that.
They say all the presidents are related to each other.
Huh?
Except for one. Yeah. They're related to each other in one way or another.
Really?
I don't like this one.
That's the Republican Party.
I don't like this one. Reagan.
It's just the party.
Yeah. Bush.
Long as what's his name?
He is. That's why I said I didn't like it.
Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't take that one. I'd be scratching that picture out.
Andy Thomas is the
Nixon.
artist for all of these. They have all of the different
Bush.
ones.
Abraham Lincoln. This actor, what is his
The
name?
names are right here.
Oh, this actor here, this is, he just died. His wife just died.
Reagan?
Reagan. His wife just died. He died a while back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got all the names right here on each frame.
That's pretty cool.
Now we are walking to Bowl and Pitcher, the Bowl and Pitcher. It's some type of water. It looks nice already. Ah.
I got a picture. That's how we're going across. crawl down there. I wouldn't want to though. Those rapids are pretty rough. Ah, this is what you mean. Swirling water, the swirling water around it. From the top. Yeah, I see. You see the water swirling like whirlpool. It looks like a little hut. Is that? Oh, that's where the thing is. Down there. It's a little patio area. I don't know.
He's leading us
Oh, I know.
to the woods.
To the woods. We might never make it out. Black people don't do stuff like this. When you see somebody leading you this way, run the opposite way. Just kidding. Oh, this is nice.
I think I sprained my ankle. Oh, look it.
I ain't going down there. I'm afraid of heights.
Everybody's written their names in the relationships. I don't even know how to say it. The couples have written their names together. It's so cute. So cute. I was just getting the couples' names. They wrote their names on the posts and stuff. We made it back home. My last night here. We're about to watch a movie and eat. We got some food from, what is it called? Rosars?
Rosars.
We got some food. And we're having drinks. And that's it. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm not going to vlog in the airport. So.
Still have the zucchini.
Oh yeah, the zucchini bread. Okay. So I won't end it here. So I will see y'all later. We're outside picking grapes for my plane ride home and when I get home. I didn't show y'all the grapes, but here we are before the camera dies. Okay. This is zucchini bread that Larry made. It smells delicious. It smells like cinnamon. It smells sweet. So we're gonna try it. Is the lighting right? Yes, it is. Okay, no. I gotta scoot up. Better. Okay. Ooh, and it's soft. So, let me hit her. That's good. That's good.
A lot of people make zucchini bread and it's wet. But that's dry. It's like drier. It's moist, not wet.
How do you integrate the zucchini?
Grate it up, and then make it real fine. A lot of people will just grate it and leave it in long shreds. But I like to have it smaller pieces because it blends better in the mixture. And there's not so much oil in it as the traditional.
Right.
There's also applesauce in this, so that's where a lot of the moisture comes from. It'll be moister than the stuff of the oil. The oil is also heavier. It makes it heavier. This is a lighter texture.
Oh, cool. Everything blends together well.
Yeah, they're ground up real fine. There's a little bit of candied ginger in it,
Oh, I don't even like ginger like that.
but it's minced up real fine. And then when you add it to the batter, you put it in the wet part that you're blending up and it'll just kind of dissolve.
Wow.
So it won't be strong.
It'll give that background ginger flavor, but without being given biting into a chunk of ginger.
Well, hope y'all get a chance to try zucchini bread because it is good. This is how we're going to end out this vlog. Don't forget to order my ebook. The link is in the description box. Also, if you want to join Black Girls Read Too, the link is also down below to join the Discord. Thank y'all so much for watching. Do y'all want to say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
Bye,
We
vlog.
don't want them to see us. We're like,
I see little people in there.